Welcome back to another episode of Snippets, where we cover the core functions of a software. Today we'll be going over Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software used for data calculation, analysis, and graphing. So let's get started. When you first open Excel, you'll be greeted by this grid pattern here. Each box in this grid is called a cell. The cell that is highlighted is called the active cell, the one you have selected. Every cell, row, and column can be adjusted by hovering your mouse over the borders. These are the different worksheets you have in a single document. Each is a separate element and has its own data. If you've watched the previous episode, you may have noticed Excel also has the font and alignment panels, as well as the insert and page layout tabs. But there are a few extra options like this. It is used to add borders around cells. You can merge multiple cells and turn them into one using this option. You can add currency symbols, adjust decimal places, or select the type of data from here. Lastly, we're going over charts. First, select the data you want to create a chart out of, then go to Insert, and then select the chart type. After that, make sure to give it a chart title and proper axis titles, and you're done. That's all the basics for formatting data. Leave a like and comment down below if you want us to cover the frequently used formulas for Excel. Subscribe for the next episode, and thanks for watching.